Right then, I hope you're all doing well and I hope you've all had a wonderful Christmas. What we're going to cover now, Ottolenghi Flavour Cookbook, and it is the slow cooked charred green beans, some fine green beans here, stringless elder beans, which are really nice. And this is actually covered in the charred section of the Ottolenghi Flavour Cookbook, which involves bringing out those flavours just by charring over a griddle. We need olive oil, 2 small onions, a green chilli, 6 garlic cloves, lemon, fresh parsley, dill. Here we've got some dried tarragon. So first of all, I'm going to prep up all the veg with my new knife from Homegeek. Got a really nice new Japanese knife which comes out set, which is absolutely brilliant. I'm going to also use a griddle pan, which this will bring out the nice marks and just char the green beans quite nicely. So just finish the dish, let that simmer for 20 minutes with the gravy in, and it's really nicely reduced down now. And we're going to fold in dill and the parsley, also a little bit of the tarragon, and also give it a bit of a seasoning with pepper. The real secret to this is that green beans, runner beans, French beans all do tend to be steamed or hard cooked or boiled in water, Where this is really different is it really adds the flavour and the texture. Charring, and that's what this section within the new book by Ottolenghi Flavour is all about. The whole section on charring, and this is how you just bring the best out of these really crunchy greens. Really, really nice. So now we're ready to serve. So here we have the Ottolenghi's from the Flavour Cookbook, the slow cooked charred green beans. So flavoursome. Absolutely wonderful. It's got a real nice balance of the flavours. It's cooked in a nice vegetable stock, but it's so aromatic with the herbs, the dill, the parsley, the charred garlic, the charred runner beans, the charred French beans. Really well balanced. What this is really about is about really good side dishes to go with anything. So really hope you're enjoying the show. Please do not forget to subscribe. Lots of love and labour going into this channel. Lots of other recipes, in particular, I've got created playlists for these type of dishes. Got almost 50 videos in my library now. I really hope you're enjoying the show. Hope this is really inspiring through these difficult times. I'm really looking forward to a prosperous 2021. Enjoy.